Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel TechGO80, and for this video I'm going to take you through a quick beginner's guide in Python. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, share the videos to your friends, families, everyone. Okay, so this is my new channel. I lost my channel at 3K, then I've decided to create a new one and make new videos. So if you are new here, just on the like button, subscribe and share. Okay, so I have a separate videos on how to install your interpreters. If you don't know about that, I have a separate video that will take you through that. Okay, so me, I prefer using Python and Visual Studio Code. I don't know what you prefer, but if you like other interpreters, you can just go ahead and install it. Everything is the same. Okay, so you asked me what is Python. Okay, so it is easy to learn and code and can be executed with a Python interpreter, example like the Python, Visual Studio Code, etc. Okay, so we can use Python interactive shells to also test Python codes immediately. So we are going to run a simple hello world program. That's our first program that you're making in this tutorial. Okay, let's open our interpreter. All right, so you asked me, how do you create this hello world program? How do you create it? Okay, so you use the print function to create this. So in this video, we're using the print function. Okay, so we're using the print function to create this program we are talking about, the hello world. Okay, so the function that tells the computer to perform an action. So we know the function because it uses parentheses. Okay, so let's print. So these are the parentheses I'm talking about. Okay, so it's a function because it uses parentheses. So the print function tells Python to display or output whatever you put inside the parentheses. So by default, this will output to the terminal window, the current terminal window that we are working on. Okay, so this is our terminal window. Okay, so inside the parentheses, let's type in, let's type in hello world. Okay, let's type in hello world. Okay, so you asked me why I place this hello world in quotation marks. Okay, so inside this parentheses, you see there are those sequence of characters we've placed inside the parentheses. Okay, so they are enclosed in quotation marks. Any character that is enclosed in a quotation mark is a string. It's called a string. Put that in mind. So any character that is placed inside the quotation mark is a string. So you have to know that. Put that in mind. Okay, so in our next video we'll be talking about variables, what are strings. I'll be taking you through deeper. Okay, so you can also try your own programs, create new programs. You can print anything that you like print whatever you want. So for your assignment, just be working on with the print statements. Try to print out stuff, display stuff, any stuff that you can even draw a box, whatever that you like. So we'll be meeting in our next video. Thanks for watching. Share this video, comment, like, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you.